For my single people out there, you are about to be in a high level commitment. You guys are walking away from all your options to be with your divine counterpart. And this is going to lead to a higher level of commitment, okay? Things may move very quickly from you being single to you being in a relationship to you being engaged, etc. So be prepared. Buckle up, Buttercup. What else for my collective? Please. Yeah. Oh my god. You guys are gonna just you guys are about to create a lot of distance between you and a player or some players, okay? Because you're headed towards a brand new beginning and you're going to break a lot of hearts, I have to say, in the interim. People are going to feel left out in the cold by you, isolated, lonely. But you don't care because you're off. You're on your merry little way with your knapsack in hand and you're going toward your brand new beginning that is going to be fulfilling and quite extraordinary, actually. Beautiful energy. Guys, if you want to find out who this person is that is incoming into your life, follow me to part 2 of the reading so we can dive into who this mysterious person is that is about to shake up your life. If you like the reading so far, you know what to do, my babies. Hit like, comment your thoughts, feelings and experiences. I'd love to hear them. Repost this if you're on TikTok to help the algorithm reach the people it needs. And guys, if you're not following me, you know what to do. Hit that little plus button along here for me so you don't miss out on any of the spirit's messages. And if you're on YouTube, knock down on that little bell button. Make sure all notifications are turned on. Subscribe, my babies. See you soon. Bye.